Hey, what's up, boys? Back with another episode for this little series I got going. Kind of updating everything on the kit, and then eventually I'll get a new kit and new pedals and everything like that. But this is just kind of a little series building up to the kit that I want to make. I've kind of just like upgraded here and there, buying used stuff, but we're just in the process of upgrading it. So this little series is based on just little cymbals that I got, and I wanted to do some sound tests and like do a little review for them. For anybody that's interested in looking for any of the cymbals that I'm getting. A lot of stuff is older stuff because I do like the, I just like cymbals from different eras. They're not like old like 80s or anything, but this specific cymbal is from I think 2012 or 2011 when it first came out. But we have the 12-inch Classics Custom Trash Splash. This is kind of between like a Splash and a China, so it's kind of it's still quick, but it gives you that more trashy sound like a China would give you. So that's what obviously what the holes are for, and the bigger dents for the hammering. But I don't have another stand for this, so I'm just going to go ahead and take this 8-inch Splash off that I'm going to be upgrading as well soon. I've got an 8 and 12 Wuhan that I've had for years, and they've held up really nice. So. But we're just going to try to do everything on the kit in Meinl. I have another thing, but I just got this bell. I think that was the last episode, was the bell. The next episode is going to be a review on this China over here, which I don't know if you can see or not. I can't see the screen. But China is going to be a review for next, or it might come out before this one. I'm not really sure how I edit it. But after this, we're getting new hi hats sometime this winter, because these are absolute dog shit. 13-inch ZBTs, and they're garbage, but it's not what it's about. It's about this episode, so I'm just going to go ahead and move this stand over here, because I think I'm going to put the Trash Splash right around here and give you some sound tests and see what she sounds like. And then I guess we'll do some playing and see if it sounds good on the kit and what you would use this for. Obviously I play a lot of metal, so as you've probably seen from the intro, but like I said, so this is more of a metal-oriented person who would get this, but of course you can, use whatever kind of cymbals and whatever kind of music you want. It's just personal preference. So let's go ahead and get this off and put it over here and see what she sounds like. Alright boys, so just a little sound test. Sounds pretty good. It's definitely a quick sound, and it's definitely different than a China. So that's the main reason I wanted it. Obviously you could throw it in there with some splash work, or if you're doing like some blast beating, of course. You could throw it off the hi-hats to do some accents or whatever. So I think that's really cool. I think it'll go really nice when I get a China on the left side, because I do have to get a China over here. Because right now I just have two crashes on this side. which I do like 2 crashes on the left side, just for some reason. I just always prefer to have a crash over here, but definitely sounds pretty good. I'd say if you do like the sound of these, definitely go pick one up, because definitely changes the sound of the kit, and adds some nice accents in there. Depending if you want to do it like tight, or if you want to have it a little bit loose, obviously that changes the sound and how fast it decays. But you could also like do the old tape trick, put some electrical tape underneath and see how it sounds, without having to have it super tight. Obviously, if you're not using it a lot, but if you do prefer that sound, you probably put some tape under there and it'll kind of kill off the overtones a little bit and make it decay a little bit faster in the mix. So that'd be pretty tight. But that's pretty much this episode. Like I said, the episode after this or before this is going to be for this Stagg DH China that you might have heard a little bit in the little playing, but definitely one of my favorite Chinas of all time. So doing a video on that one next. But thanks for watching the video, guys. Be sure to check out the links down below. My Instagram will be down there. I mostly post car stuff, but I do post drum clips here and there. And like I said, once I move, probably sometime this spring, I will be building a studio inside the house. So that's why I'm trying to upgrade the kit over the winter time, or at least pieces of the kit, especially pedals, because the ones I have down there are dog shit. So next thing on the list for upgrade are these hi-hats, because these are straight garbage. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like it, and if you have any questions, just ask me down below. And that's pretty much it. Everything about the kit will be linked down below. And thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the episode for the China, which is coming up next. Stop the